viewers, hope you are well at home, inshallah. You are watching Satrangi channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. In this tutorial, you will be learn and create to a table in SQL language and also insert into data through SQL query. So here we start. Type create space table name. The table name is newspaper. अगर आप चाहें तो टेबल का नाम चेंज कर सकते हैं. It's up to you. Bracket open. Enter feature. Feature is a column name. Column name will also be changed if you want. Space VARCHAR. VARCHAR is a data type of column feature. Bracket open. 15 is the length of feature column. Bracket close. Space note space null. Note null is type I. That's why, because I don't want to the column will be null. Comma. Next section. Section is also column name. Space character is a data type of section column. Bracket open. The length of this column will be 1. Bracket close. Comma. Enter. Page is a column name. Space number is a data type. I will not type comma because the last column in SQL language comma will not be inserted. So enter, bracket close. Control and enter type the table and create through SQL. So here we insert into data newspaper table. Type insert space into space newspaper space type values, bracket open, single quote, type the name. I type it national news. The data will be stored in feature. The data type is character, varchar. Varchar is variable plus character and the length is 15. Single quote, comma. Next column name is section. Single quote, type section name A, single quote, comma, space. The next column name is page and the data type is number. So I type single quote number 1, single quote, bracket close because all the column data will be typed here. Control enter. The row will be inserted in your database. Next row will be inserted. Type insert space into space newspaper space values, bracket open, single quotes, space ports and single quote. The data will be inserted into feature column and the data type is varchar and the length is 15. You do not type the above 15 length. The data will not be stored. So comma, single quote, D is a section name and the data type is character, comma, 1 is the page number. You will be change the data if you want. Bracket close. Here also control enter. The row will be inserted. I will type a lot of queries to insert data. You will also be type. The data will be inserted into database. Thank you for watching my videos.